In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce shipping cost on Dhgate. Shipping fees can add up fast, but with a few smart moves, you can bring your total down without sacrificing what you want. Start by comparing multiple sellers offering the exact same product. Don't buy from the first listing you see. Search the item, open 2 to 5 different sellers, and compare 3 things side by side: the product price, the shipping fee, and the estimated delivery time. Often, a listing with a slightly higher item price ends up cheaper overall because the shipping is much lower. Always look at the final total, not just the item price. At checkout, pay attention to the shipping options. You'll usually see choices like China Post, ePacket, or DHgate Standard, along with express carriers like DHL or FedEx. If you're not in a rush, pick an economy method. It's slower, but far more affordable, and express shipping can sometimes cost more than the item itself. Before you place the order, message the seller, use the Contact Seller button, and ask politely if they can reduce the shipping cost or offer a better rate. Many sellers are willing to help, and they may lower the fee, switch you to free shipping, or create a custom order with a better overall price. Be clear and courteous, and give them time to respond. Another reliable tactic is buying more items from the same seller. Shipping is often charged per order, not per item, so ordering 2 to 5 pieces together can reduce the cost per unit. Ask for combined shipping so they pack everything into one parcel. Avoid express shipping unless you truly need it. Save premium services for urgent timelines or high-value, fragile goods. Standard shipping is typically cheaper and can lead to fewer customs complications. Also look for listings that include free shipping. Try search terms like free shipping or DHgate standard shipping. Some sellers bundle the cost into the item price, which often ends up cheaper overall than paying a separate shipping fee. Before paying, collect and apply coupons. Stack DHgate coupons with seller-specific coupons or seasonal promos when possible. Add them to your account ahead of time and apply them on the payment page to offset shipping charges. Timing matters too. Order during site-wide events like the anniversary sale, Black Friday, 11/11 or 12/12, and seasonal clearances. Many sellers temporarily discount shipping during these periods. For advanced users, consider shipping to a China-based freight forwarder, combining multiple orders and sending them in bulk. This works best for experienced buyers or resellers who understand forwarding fees and local customs rules. Follow these strategies and you'll consistently pay less for shipping on DHgate.